Hi everyone and welcome to Paleo Low Carb Kate. I want to share with you today one of my absolute favorite spice blends, and that's the Chermoula spice. That's a seasoning that's very popular in the North African region, especially in Morocco, and you can use it to spice up your fish, lamb, chicken. Also for vegetables, I love to use it on my grilled vegetables. So basically it is a seasoning that you can use on just about anything, and the best thing is that it uses all natural ingredients. It's gluten-free, paleo compliant, low carb, keto, all those things. So for those who have special dietary requirements, it's just the kind of seasoning you want to have in your kitchen. As always, you'll find this and all of my other recipes on my website paleolowcarbkate.com. So let's make some chermoula. So for this recipe we're going to need some cumin seeds, black pepper, and I'm just going to lightly roast or toast the cumin seeds and black pepper, and then I'm going to grind them. But this is optional. If you like, you can just use ground black pepper and ground cumin seeds, or powdered if you prefer to call them like that. I have ground cilantro or coriander powder, ground garlic, granulated garlic, some cinnamon, about a tablespoon or two of salt, ground turmeric, ground or powdered ginger, some onion powder, and if it's lumpy you can try to pass it through a sieve. I just try to do this, but it's a bit lumpy, so maybe I'll press my spoon against it to make sure it runs through smoothly. I have some sweet paprika here. You can also use smoky or hot paprika. It's fine. Just do you. I also have a bit of parsley, dried parsley. And finally, I have a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Feel free to use more if you like your food spicy. I try to limit this because my kids don't like it very spicy. So as I mentioned, I always like to start by toasting the seeds. I have this time black peppercorns and cumin seeds. So I'm just going to add this to the pan and toast them slightly, taking care not to burn them. If you have coriander or cilantro seeds, you can also toast them, but I didn't find that at my local supermarket, so I just bought the already ground cilantro or coriander powder, which I'm going to use. But if you can find the seeds, just pop them there and toast them together with the black pepper and cumin seeds, then grind them to a powder. I'm basically carefully stirring the spices. You will know they're done when the seeds start to slightly pop, and when you also perceive the aroma, a stronger aroma. This looks good. I'll switch it off and remove the pan from the heat. I have allowed the toasted seeds to cool, and I'm then going to transfer them to my food processor or spice grinder. You can also use your coffee grinder if you like. I'm using my little grinder here, and I'm going to just process them. You want to grind your spice into a powder. Careful, here it goes. So this looks good. If you like, you can grind yours finer, but yeah, I like mine to be a little bit coarse. So we're basically just going to combine all the spices in a small bowl. So I'm just adding the toasted spices, granulated garlic or garlic powder, ginger, salt, cayenne pepper, paprika powder or ground paprika, cinnamon, onion powder, cumin, and turmeric. Finally, I've just added in the dried parsley. And there you go, our Chermoula spice blend or mix is ready. I actually like to mix my spice blend with garlic, fresh garlic, parsley, cilantro, coriander, and process it to make Chermoula sauce, which I then serve as a condiment or simply use as a marinade. Also stores well. Just keep the Chermoula in an airtight container in a cool and dry place. It should be able to keep for up to 6 months or even longer.